I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to find out if Koodo has coverage in your area, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Visit the Koodo website. Open your web browser and go to the official Koodo website. This is where you'll find the most accurate and up-to-date coverage information. Step 2. Navigate to the coverage section. Once on the homepage, look for the coverage or network section. This is usually found in the main menu at the top of the page. Step 3. Enter your location. In the coverage map section, you'll see an option to enter your address or postal code. Type in your location to see if Koodo provides service there. Step 4. Review the coverage map. After entering your location, the coverage map will display different areas with varying levels of service. Look for colors indicating coverage strength. Green usually means good coverage. Step 5. Check for specific features. If you want to know about specific features like 5G availability, look for additional toggles or filters on the map. This can help you understand what services are available in your area. Sometimes, the coverage might look good on the map, but you could still experience issues in certain buildings. For example, even if your area shows green, basements may have weak signals. I hope this helps you check Koodo's coverage easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.